y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Again, thank you so much for being here. I do love when you guys leave comments. I like interacting with you guys. Please make sure to give my video a big thumbs up if you like the video. It really does help my videos get out there. And if you are new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you. I do tons of giveaways, unboxings, fun stuff, so we definitely would love to have you join our channel. But as you can see from the description below, I do have a new product to unbox with you guys and to share with you, and it is from a company called Soxy. And what this is actually a men's sock company. They do have a subscription. The subscription is $50 a month. You receive 5 pairs of men's socks, and that makes them $10 a pair, and they are usually 12. And you obviously can go on to their site, which I will link below, and purchase individual socks, or like I said, they do offer the monthly subscription. So if you're really wanting to change up your socks, or your husband or boyfriend or father, whoever, it's a great option for that, and it makes a great gift. With the holidays coming up, this is a great way you could find some really awesome socks, or give the gift that keeps on giving and give the subscription as a gift if you have someone that loves socks. So we're going to go ahead and dive in here. I did cut this just so I could get into it easier, but I haven't looked at the socks yet, so we are going to take a peek and see what they sent. This was very kindly sent to me for review to share with you guys, and like I said, it to me is a great gift idea. You know, like I said, if you have your husband or your father or your boyfriend, your brother, father-in-law, whoever, you know, if they love socks, different types of socks, different designs, it's great. Their website, like I said, I will put below, is Soxy, SOXY.com, and you can, like I said, purchase the individual socks, and they have all kinds of patterns. It is crazy the amount of patterns that they have. So let's just get in here and take a peek. So this is the first pair here, and okay, so they are in size 7 to 13 for men, and these appear to be like, most of them, I believe, are more on like the dress sock type end, but they're really cool, fun patterns, which is great. They do, I believe, also have where you could pick like the no-show or crew, or, you know, they have different options for the type of sock as well, in addition to the multitude of patterns. So here we have a really fun, almost abstract, we've got some purple, blue, light blue, or aqua, black, and yellow. So these are really fun. So let's take a look at the next pair. Ooh, these are fun. Okay, so these are right here, and you can see that they are green, yellow, orange, and like a royal blue. And it's almost like polka dots, but not polka dots. It's just all dots connected, which is super awesome. The toe is the blue as well as the cuff up here. Again, so this is another pair of more like dress socks. So those are super fun. And then our last pair, oh, these are cute. These are right here. So they're like puzzle pieces. So that is cute. And again, they are the taller dress type sock. We've got blue, yellow, white, a really dark blue, and red. So multitude of colors here. So these are awesome, y'all. Like, these are super cute. These are the 3 different pairs again. And like I said, you know, if you've got a loved one that, you know, would really like socks, this is a great way to get them different socks, you know, out of the comfort zone where you don't have to go and search in a store to try and find fun, cool socks. You can have them delivered to you. And again, you can either do individually, go on and purchase them. They are $12 a pair, or if you want to do the subscription, it makes them $10 a pair because you receive 5 pairs every month for $50. And it is free shipping. And obviously, as with most subscriptions, you can cancel at any time. But like I said, everything will be down below with their website. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed. And like I said, if you know someone that needs socks, they make a great gift. I'm just saying, they're really cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk with you with the next one. Have a great day.